Hello guys, so today we are going to be learning how to design a courier website. Some of you will call it delivery website, some others will call it logistics website. And today I am going to use WordPress. I've been talking about how powerful WordPress is in designing websites. So today I'm just going to know how powerful it is because I'm going to use it to design a full functional courier website. Alright, there are so many ways to design a courier website actually. You can code from scratch, you can use scripts. Alright, but today I'm going to use WordPress. You know me, I love things that makes things easier and simpler and faster. I'm going to use WordPress today to design a delivery website, and I'm going to try to make it as beginner friendly as possible. So even if you don't have any knowledge of WordPress or you've not even designed any website for yourself, I am going to assure you that after this video you'll be able to design a courier website and you have an idea of WordPress, so that if you want to venture into WordPress, it will be easy for you. You know what you're going to be learning. And if you're already a WordPress developer, this will be very, very easy for you. This will just be another tutorial on how to use WordPress to design another kind of website. I know you must have been designing websites with WordPress already, so you're going to learn how to use that same WordPress to design a courier website. Before we dive into the course proper, I would like to show you what the website you're going to design is going to actually look like, so that you have in your head what you're going to be designing before we get into it. So I would like to show you now what this website is going to look like. So this is what the website is going to look like. As you can see, I designed this website with WordPress, COURIER IMAGES logistics. As you can see, look at it, very, very pretty. As you can see, it has a live chart and everything. Trust me, this website is smart, and you can track your shipment. There are buttons everywhere to track your shipment. All right, there are buttons everywhere. Okay, let's just look at track shipment so that you see what I'm talking about. There's the admin section where you create shipment. All right. So there will be no time to actually explore the admin site for now, but maybe before the end of this video I may just decide to do that, but that's not completely necessary. But we are going to touch it a little bit. So this is where you put your tracking code, and you click on track result and it will start tracking. It's as simple as this. Now this one has menu, home, and track shipment. You can add more menus, as I'm going to show you in this video. You can add about us, contact us, as many as you really like to add. So this is it. This is it. The website is cool. This is it. So without wasting time, let's get into it immediately. Now you've seen how the website we're going to be designing is going to look like. All right. So as usual, I like to make my videos very beginner friendly. So I'm going to start by buying up domain name and hosting. You cannot do anything on website without buying your domain name and hosting. So if you're already familiar with website design, if you're not new here and you know how to purchase your name and hosting, then maybe just fast forward this part to the part that you're going to start from. All right, but I'm going to make it very fast so that we'll not waste too much time in this video. So first of all, we're going to get our name and our hosting, and we have different hosting companies you can actually do that from. But for the purpose of this particular tutorial, I'm going to be using Namecheap. All right, Namecheap has some kind of maybe limitations, but it is going to just serve well for this particular tutorial. So we are going to, if you want to get your domain name and host, you are going to use Namecheap as I just stated. So first thing you are going to do is to log into namecheap.com. All right, that's the first thing you're going to do, namecheap.com. So just type Namecheap. Okay, I already have it already, so the suggestion is here, namecheap.com. Click on enter. I already created an account already, so I won't be, as you can see, the account is here already. I already created an account. All right, so but if you've not created an account, so let me use another tab. Let me use another tab so that this will be better. All right, let me use another tab. All right, okay, let me use another window. So you're going to type namecheap.com. all right, namecheap.com. So when you type namecheap.com, it opens this environment for you. So all you just have to do is just to sign up. Like I said, I'm not going to waste time here. I'm going to be very fast. So if you click on sign up, look at it. Your username, your password, confirm password, first name, last name, and email address. You have to make sure you fill everything very well. After filling it, just click on create account. Click on create account, and that is that. You've created an account. It's very, very simple. So when you click on create account, it will bring you to your dashboard, your Namecheap dashboard that will look like this. I already created an account, so there's no point going back to create an account. So as you can see, this is my Namecheap dashboard. All right. So immediately you create an account and you get into this place, the first thing you want to do is to click on profile here to complete your registration. Because if you don't, when you're going to be buying your domain name, you'll still be prompted to, complete your registration. So when you click on profile, if your account is new, if you just registered and you click on profile, it's going to bring you to this place. All right, it's going to bring you to this place. So you will now see add here instead of edit. Mine is showing edit because I already completed my profile, but yours will show add. So when you click on add, you fill in everything there, your zip code, your address, you confirm everything, then click on proceed. Once you click on proceed, it brings you to your dashboard here. All right, so if it has brought you to your dashboard here, the next thing you're going to do is to fund your account. As you can see, I have $35 here, but normally yours will be $00. So you're going to fund your account so that you use your account to make payment for your domain name and hosting. Now, if you want to design a website, for those of you that are new, you must buy your domain name and hosting. A lot of people like free things, but it's not possible. There's no way you can just get online and start doing things without making some kind of payment. So for Namecheap, this is what you're going to spend, and this is for 1 year. I funded my account $35 already. So let me take you through on how to fund your account very fast. You click on top up. Yours will be 000. So you click on top up. If you want to use your card, fine, by all means go for it, but I like to use BTC. So I click on BTC. If you want to use card, you click on card, you put in your card details and the rest. But me, I'm using BTC, so I'll click on BTC and click on next. Then put the amount I want to, let's say $30. All right, and I'll click on add funds. Add funds. Now if I click on add funds, this will pop out. All right, you can either scan this using your wallet, or you can click on copy here and copy the address here, you see, and maybe paste in your WhatsApp so that you can now copy it with your phone and make the payment. All right, whichever way you want to make the payment. But after making payment, it will tell you that your payment has been confirmed. Go back to Namecheap dashboard, then to now redirect you to the Namecheap dashboard. All right, so I'm not going to make payment because I already have money in my account. All right, so to redirect you to your dashboard here. All right, so if it has redirected it to your dashboard here, you see, you have your money. It will not reflect immediately. All right, sometimes it takes an hour or two. Sometimes it can even take more. So you just relax. I had to fund my account before I started it so that I will not waste our time. So that is that for registering on Namecheap. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is to buy our domain name. I'm trying to be fast. So if you are new here and you have any question, I'll leave my number in the description below or on this video anywhere so that you can contact me and ask me, or you can ask the question in this comment section. All right, you can ask the question in the comment section so that I can always answer all your questions. All right, so having said that, let's go straight to buying of domain name and hosting. The domain name is your choice, but I'm going to buy a domain name and hosting. So first of all, what you are going to do is on this platform, let me confirm if I'm still recording. Here I am. On this platform here, this dashboard, you click on hosting, you select shared hosting. All right, select shared hosting. So when you select shared hosting, you click on get started. This plan is okay, Stella is okay. So here is where you choose your domain name. All right, this is where you choose your domain name. Let me look for a domain name to choose and I'll be right back immediately. All right, welcome back to this place. Sorry for that a little bit of delay. I'm trying to see if we can make this video as fast as possible. Let's see if we can conclude this website in an hour. All right, so follow up with me so that we can get it done. So if you've gotten to this stage, thank you very much for following up. But if you've not gotten to this stage, I hope you remembered how we did that. If you can't remember, shoot this video backward and come to this place. So search for domains. This is where I'll put the domain name I want to buy. Your domain name can be anything, right? Domain name can be anything. As you can see, it is free, right? It is free. So you just scroll down here, all right? Scroll up, click on connect to hosting. If you connect to hosting, look at it now. You see that everything you're going to spend is $33.34, and I have $35. So if you are funding your account, make sure after funding your account, you have at least $35 in your account. It is for 1 year, right? You can see the domain is for 1 year, the hosting is for 1 year. So you're going to add to cart. You click on add to cart to add to cart. So I'm not going to, if you want to leave yours at auto renew so that when it just expires, it renews fine. But I don't want to leave it at auto renew. So I'll just remove it. Stellar edit, I'll remove it from auto renew. But you can leave yours, all right, so that it can always renew depending on your choice and preference. So after doing all those things, you come down and click on confirm order. Yeah. So after clicking on confirm order, look at your options. You can go straight even without funding your account to make payment, but I always encourage you to fund your account first. All right. And most of the hosting platforms actually support WordPress. So if you don't want to use Namecheap, it is not compulsory. You can use any hosting platform. You can use cheaper ones. All right, there we have some cheaper ones. If you want some recommendations, I can recommend you. You can text me and I'll give you some options. So you click on account funds because we funded our account. You see, we have $35. So it's telling us your current balance covers your purchase. Beautiful. So you come down. Please follow me up. I'll try to be fast. And click on continue. So when you click on continue, this page shows up. So you have to agree to their terms and conditions here by checking this box, coming down and clicking on pay now. Pay now. So our order is confirming. So we'll just leave it to confirm. After confirming, I will leave it for some time so that SSL certificate, everything will be done before we start building. All right, so let's just wait for it for some time. As you can see, they said you are delighted to choose blah 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 blah. Thanks for your order. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for your purchase. Your order ID is, so we have now bought our domain name and hosting from Namecheap. All right, so what we are going to do now is to go back and start building. After doing this, an email will be sent to you. The email you use to register this account, an email will be forwarded to you containing your cPanel details. All right. There is a reason I'm saying that, because you're going to need to log into your cPanel before you can start building. It is inside your cPanel that you can build everything you want to build. So that mail, if you are following me up, you should have received that mail. Now you go to your email, you check, you see hosting details, all right, and your cPanel details. That's what you're going to use to log in. Now, alternatively, you can either use that to log in, or you can still log in through your Namecheap dashboard here. All right, you can still log in through your Namecheap dashboard here. See, I clicked on Namecheap. I go back to this my Namecheap dashboard. Under account here, you can click on dashboard. All right, as you can see, this is the name of purchase, Harika log. All right, this is the name of purchased. Okay, so it is here. You can log into your cPanel from this environment, as I am going to show you soon. But I'm going to wait for this SSL certificate to be installed. It is very important so that your site will go with HTTPS instead of HTTP, not secure. If this thing is not intact, your site will show not secured. So I'm going to wait for this yellow to just turn to green so that I'll just start building. All right. So at this juncture, I'm just going to take a break and be right back when this has turned to blue. Thank you very much for following thus far. See you soon. All right, welcome back. So as you can see, this thing has turned to blue already. I refreshed my page and this thing has turned to blue. So the SSL certificate is intact and we can now proceed. Now, I told you earlier that we can access our cPanel through this Namecheap dashboard. All right, and we can also access it through the cPanel details sent to our mail. All right, so accessing it through this place, you're just going to click on hosting list. All right, and you click on hosting list, it will bring you to this place. You can see the website we just hosted, and you can see go to cPanel. So you can just click on go to cPanel, right? And it will take you straight to your cPanel dashboard. As you can see, now because this is new, it's telling us all these things, but we're just going to, it's still loading. We're just going to skip this. I'm just going to skip this or cancel it here. All right, whichever way you do it is fine. So if you cancel it here, to show up this particular place. I don't know if you understand. So this is your cPanel. This is where you're going to be working. All right. Then alternatively, I told you can go through your email. The cPanel details is sent to your email, and this is what your cPanel details is going to look like. I'm just trying to do this for those of you that are new here. All right. I'm just going to do this for those of you that are new here. So this is what your cPanel details is going to look like. So this is your cPanel address, as you can see, your website name / cPanel. All right. So let's say we'll copy this. This is alternative way to enter your cPanel. Right? Click here. Click on enter. Then this is your username and your password. Copy. It's redirecting to open up a login page for us so that we can log in, as you can see. So if I put my username here, paste, come back here. Where is my notepad? Okay. This is how it will look like, or it will be in your mail, so you cannot copy it and log in. If you don't want to log in through your you see, it will still bring us to this place, as you can see. So it's either you go through here. Let me save this so that it'll be easy for me. It's either you go through here or you go through here. Whichever way, it's fine. All right, so let's use this one. So first of all, I like to always create my email, my professional email, anytime I just enter my cPanel. So first of all, let's quickly do that. All right, you scroll down. This is your email section. All right, so just click on email accounts. This is really creating our professional email. So let's just do it very, very fast. So I just click on create. I'm going to create info and support. Info at mywebsitename.com. All right. Your password can be anything. Your password can be anything. I like to choose unlimited here. All right. Then I like to stay on this page because I want to create support. So I'll click on create. So we've created the first email. Second email, support. All right. Your password is your business, right? So my own password is my business. Come here, click on unlimited, then create. So I haven't done that. That is that. So go back to our cPanel. All right. So this is our cPanel. First of all, we're going to install our WordPress here. All right. So I'll go down. I'm going to install our WordPress here. As you can see, WordPress managed by. Let's just go here and just take it up from here. Look at scripts. As you can see, WordPress. These are content management systems. Joomla, Abantecat, PHP, BB. But WordPress, as you can see, is coming first. It's the most widely used. Almost 1 out of every 4 websites on the internet is built by WordPress. So that is what makes it very powerful. If you have the knowledge of WordPress, you're going to be a powerful developer. If you are not designing new ones, you are maintaining already designing websites. So it's very, very great that you add WordPress knowledge to whatever knowledge you have about web design to help you a whole lot. All right. So having said that, let's just click on WordPress to install our WordPress. I want you to follow me gradually. Follow me gradually. This is pretty simple, and you don't expect to be as fast as I am once you've learned. You can, practice makes perfection. All right. You keep practicing. So come here under install. I want to custom install. So you click on this arrow here. It will drop down quick install and custom install. So I'll just click on custom install. All right. I want to install it on my root directory. So I will not put anything here. Let's assume you want to install your website. You want your WordPress to be, let's say, cargo maxi delivery /.com, / maybe en or /WordPress or / anything. You can now put that in that directory here. You want to install it, but I want to install it to my root folder so that the name of my website will be the root folder, harrycarlog.com, to just open it up. All right, so you click on this HTTP, you click on the drop down and choose HTTPS. That's a protocol, so that it can be HTTPS instead of HTTP. So you not have not secure on your website. So you leave the version of WordPress to be this. I think this is the latest version. You just leave it at that. All right, you come down, you choose these settings. Now you can either do it here or you can do it when you must have logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. All right, but for now, let me do it from here. Your site name, my own site name is Harry Cargo Logistics. Your own can be anything, all right? Logistics. Then under site description, you can put best in delivery or worldwide delivery, depending. So this place you're going to be careful because you're going to be using this info to log into your WordPress dashboard. So admin username, I'll just put admin. Then my password. The password can be anything as usual. All right, the password can be anything, but this is my own password. All right. So I think that is that for that here. Okay, come down here under select plugins. You can install this from your WordPress dashboard, but let's install the basic ones here, the most important ones here. I like classic editor, so click it. I know you may not know what that means now, but just click it first of all. All right, and I think that is that for that. All right, that is that for that here. That is that for that here. So after doing all this, you just come here and click on install. All right, if you click on install, the installation has started installing WordPress. So let's allow the installation to go. WordPress is very, very simple to use, and very. So as you can see, WordPress has been successfully installed at this administrative. This is your WordPress admin URL. So if you want to log into WordPress, since we've done it from here, we can just click here direct and we'll get into our WordPress dashboard. Or you can copy this link here, your website name / WP admin. For those of you that are new, let's say we'll paste it here. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know what I am copying. Let's see if we can paste it here. Okay, see, so this is it. If you can notice, it is your website name URL / WP admin. That is how to access your WordPress admin dashboard. So let's click on enter. All right, you see that showed you to log in. So what you're going to use to log in here is that password we created here. Remember the password we created here, admin and that my password. All right, admin and that my password. So if you click on login, you should be able to access your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, this is my WordPress dashboard. All right, this is where we'll be building. Or once you are done installing here, you can just click here directly to take you straight to your dashboard. All right, you see, it will take you straight to your dashboard. So either you go through there to get to here, or you go through the other side to get to here. Whichever way, it's fine. But let's use this one tab. So this is your admin. This is your WordPress admin. This is where we are going to be doing a whole lot. This is where we are going to be doing the whole design and the whole building and the rest of them, the whole installation of plugins and the rest of them. So this is where we're going to be doing the major work. Now remember, this is the website we want to achieve. So let's bear this in mind. This is the website we want to achieve. All right. So I haven't gotten to this place. As you can see, by now at this juncture, you should know how to install your WordPress. All right. You should know how to buy your domain name and hosting and install your WordPress. So the next thing we're going to do is to start building. Let's check out our site. If you've installed WordPress correctly, your site should be live at least. So let's copy this our website and paste here. It will be live, but maybe with the default theme, it won't be looking nice and beautiful. As you can see, it is up, but don't worry. It's now on the internet. Don't worry about what you're seeing here. We're going to make it look better and more beautiful than this. All right. So having done that, we're going to move to the next section of our video, which is installing our theme and customizing our theme, installing our plugins that are necessary and using it to do what we are supposed to use it for. So I'm going to cut the video here and I'll be right back. Let's continue. Thank you very much for following thus far. See you in the next episode of this video. Okay, so welcome back to this video. Remember, we are in our WordPress dashboard. All right, we're in our WordPress dashboard. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to install our theme, our WordPress theme. Now, WordPress gives you the opportunity to use free themes and premium themes. Now, premium themes is going to make your job easier because premium themes comes with a lot of already built-in pictures and images, and it's easy. Everything is placed according to how it's placed. So all you have to just do is just to edit the words and everything. But you are going to pay for the script. You're going to buy the template, the premium template. You're going to buy it. All right. But alternatively, you can design it from scratch using free themes. That is where WordPress is powerful. It gives you those options. So if you don't want to spend money on premium themes, you can use the free themes that are available and build with some page builders like Elementor. I'm going to use Elementor for the purpose of this course. We have so many other page builders, but I'm going to use Elementor. So you're going to pay close attention so that you understand how it is done. This is very, very simple. But first thing first, let's install our free theme. All right, we are going to be using free theme here. So I'm trying to, because a lot of people complain they don't have money to buy script, they don't have money to buy templates. It's okay if you don't have the money. This is a free tutorial. This is a free version. You don't have to buy any script. Once you've bought your domain name and hosting, you don't have to buy any script, you don't have to buy any template, but you have to at least make use of a little bit of your creativity and your time. That is one thing, which is either you spend your time or you spend your money. So in this case, you're going to spend your time because you don't have money, I'm assuming, to buy templates. All right, so I'm going to use a completely free theme here to design it. I'm still going to do other videos where I'll be using premium themes and even scripts to design this same particular website. So the choice is actually yours. You can choose whichever way you want to do it. It's very, very flexible. So first of all, let's go to install our theme. Let's go to appearance, as you can see here, then themes. Click on it. Now, this is the one we are using now, but we are going to add new. All right, you're going to add new. Look at it up here. Click on add new. If you click on add new, now this is the list of a lot of themes, plenty of them. All right, plenty of them of themes. So up to 5,900 themes. You see, free themes are available. So, but we are going to look for a logistics themes by searching, coming to this place. This place, you see search themes here. We're going to search for logistics theme. Logistics. All right. Now you see a lot of logistics WordPress theme. Look at it. Most of them, they have free version and paid version. As you can see, look at them. All right. You can actually choose from anyone and play around it. That is how you learn. All right. But for the purpose of this particular course, I'm going to use this particular theme here, as you can see. So if you just come to Shifter Slides, you click on install. All right. You click on install and you click on activate. Now it has activated. So this is the theme we are using now. All right, this is the theme we are using now. So if we've activated the theme, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to be installing the plugins we are going to be needing for this particular website building. So the list of plugins, you can get a pen and paper so that you can jot it down. All right. You come back to this your tab here, left hand side under plugins. You go to add new. All right. You can write this down. First of all, you want to install your Elementor. That is the page builder. That is the first thing you have to install. The most important thing you have to install here is Elementor. Look at it. Elementor website builder. This is it. This is where you install it. So just click on install here. All right. Click on install and allow it to install. It is installed. Don't worry about activating it. You're going to activate it all at once. So essential add-ons for Elementor. You can still install this one too. All right. So if you install this, let's go to Cargo, WP Cargo. This one is going to be responsible for your tracking. This is the plugin that is going to be responsible for your tracking. And one good thing about WordPress is a lot of things can be achieved using WordPress plugins. A lot of things. In fact, once you design your website, anything you want to do, if you want to add forms, if you want to add different kind of things, they can be achieved by plugins. So all you need to do is to find out that particular plugin that is going to help you achieve that particular thing you want to achieve with WordPress. All right, there's a lot of plugins out there. So you just have to search and make some research and know the particular plugin. So this WP Cargo Track and Trace is going to be responsible for the tracking of shipment. So I'm just going to come here and click on install. All right, and allow it to install. It has installed. So the next thing I'm going to install is hide title. I'll tell you why we need this. Hide title, hide page title. Okay, like I said before, the next thing we're going to install is hide title. All right, so I'll tell you the reason we're going to be using this hide title. But first of all, let's just install it. Right, hide page and post title. You can either install this or you can install this. Whichever one you install is good. All right, or should we? Let me use this. If this one doesn't work well, we'll come and install the other one. But let's use this first. Okay, that has been done. So now let's activate the plugins. All right, let's activate. Okay, I think hide titles, remove title from post and page. This is the one we should use. This is the one we should use. Let me install this. Hide titles, remove title from post here, so that our page won't be having the title on it. So after we've installed it, we'll come back to our plugins here. Come to install plugins here, click on it. I want you to take it slow and steady with me. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for everybody, whether a beginner or not. So just click on all the plugins. All right, take bulk action or activate or apply. So I'm activating the whole plugins now. As you can see, because we installed plugin, it's telling us, bringing us to this page. Even Elementor as a plugin has its own free and premium version, but we're going to be using free version here. Free version will just do good. So I'll just close this up. Now this will show up again because we just installed this plugin too. So let's go to our list of plugins. Installed plugins. Let me click on it very fast. So this is our installed plugins. We've installed everything. Remember, let's deactivate this because we can't have two hide titles. You understand? We'll have to just deactivate one, whichever one. All right, let's deactivate this one first for now. So if the other one doesn't work well for us, we'll come back and use this. So we've deactivated that. So that is that for that. All right, forget about all these things you're seeing here. Forget about all these things you're seeing here. So now let's even reload our page to see if this new theme we've installed has come up. So let's reload this page and see how our website looks now. As you can see, it's changing, small. So first of all, now let's go back and do justice to this website now. First of all, we are going to choose a front page for our website. Let me show you something first. Under appearance here, all right, under appearance here, see customize here, click on customize. Let me show you something. Since this is me teaching you, I'm not going to be too fast. I just hope my network permits me. WordPress is very powerful. WordPress is very powerful, and as a matter of fact, after watching this video and you feel like WordPress is something you can actually learn, you want to learn, I have a full course on WordPress, a full complete course on WordPress on how to design so many kind of websites with WordPress, even e-commerce, blog posts, blog websites, and a lot of them. All right, with WordPress. So if you want to gain more knowledge on WordPress, you can text me. I'll leave my number so that I can enroll to the course. The course is not free. The course is not free, but it's very affordable, considering what you're going to be learning. I don't know what's wrong with my network, though. I really don't know what's wrong with my network. Let's reload and see. Forgive my network. the part of the world where we are, we battle a lot of things. So after loading, we are here. All right, now this is our home page settings. All right, home page. Now we are going to choose a static page. If we choose a static page, we are going to select the page. All right, we're going to select the page. I'm showing you something before I start, but now we've not created a page for it, so we are going to go back and create it. So I'll go back here, and again, this theme options panel. All right, theme options panel. Look at our slider here. Our slider. Let me show you the website we're trying to build. This is our slider. As you can see, this is our slider. All right, now going through that panel option, this is our slider. That means our slider we need to add a page for our slider, our first slider, second page for our second slider, third page for our second slider, but we don't have those pages created yet, so we are going to go back and create those pages. All right, then this is our top 4 columns. I'll show you what it is. This is our top 4 columns here. This is what they mean by top 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now the top 4 columns is asking us to, we're going to select pages for that, and we've not created the pages, so we're going to create all those pages now. All right, so that when we come back here, it will be easy for us. Then this is our welcome session. Our welcome session is this place now. All right, our welcome session is this place. So this is our welcome session, but we have to select the pages. All right, so we've not added the pages, so I'm still going to go back to add, all right, the pages. So I'm showing you this so that you know why we'll be adding the pages we're going to be adding. So what I'll do now is go back here. All right, go back here. Okay, well, before then, I want to disable my sidebar. I don't want any sidebar to show on the page. Look at the sidebar here. This is our website. This is the one you see this sidebar. I don't want it, so I'm going to disable it now. I'll check all this place. All right, to disable it. So you disable and you wait for it. I think the network is poor, so you wait for it. As you can see, it is disabled, so there's no sidebar again. So I'll just click on publish. Follow me closely. So I learned this. So I'll go back. All right, let's create all those pages. You're going to follow me while I create all those pages. So we're going to come back to this our WordPress dashboard to start creating pages. Okay, so we are going to be creating our pages. First of all, I want to create your pages. You hover up to this page is here, left hand side, you can see pages. You click on add new. All right, you click on add new. Let's call this one home. This is our home page. All right, this is our home page. There is no need writing anything here. There's no need writing anything here. So this is our plugin hide page title. We're going to click on hide. All right, we're going to click on hide. Then come up here. You see template here default. Just click on it and say Elementor full width. All right. Then what else? That is all. That is all. Just click on publish. All right. Click on publish, and that is that for that. So we are going to add another page. We're going to add new page. Now come back to this particular website we want to replicate here, so that we can get some inspiration from here. So first of all, we're going to be adding pages that will be responsible for this, our sliders. We have 3 sliders, so we're going to add 3 pages. So the first one, let's name it welcome. All right, cargo logistics. If you're using a premium themes, if you're using premium theme, we're not going to go through all this stress. So that's the advantage of using a premium theme over a free theme. But the advantage of using a free theme However, a premium theme is that the free theme is free. All right, you don't have to pay anything for the theme. So Elementor full width as usual, go up, high title as usual. Then we are going to add our featured image. That featured image is going to be that image on the slider. As you can see here, this image on the slider is a featured image. So I'm going to add my image. You click on it, you select files from your computer. All right, if it is a free theme, the whole pictures and everything will be here. All right, if you just import it, everything will be here. But this is not a free theme, so we're going to upload our own pictures. And the problem most of you are going to have is to get pictures, for your upload. To get pictures for your upload. I have my pictures here. All right, so click on pictures. Oh, not here. Under scripts, delivery, images. This is where it is. So I have a lot of pictures here already. I can zip it and send to you if you need it for your own practice, because it's going to be difficult getting pictures and downloading pictures and getting high quality pictures. Most of these pictures are not even free these days, so even the sizes and everything. But if you want it, you can text me and I'll just zip the whole pictures and send to you. But you have to at least send me data money. You have to send me 5,000 naira, and it's not compulsory, so don't come and start feeling like I pay money. I'll zip it and send to you. If you're interested, it's not compulsory. You can get your pictures from anywhere. All right, so for the slider, I like to use 1080x by 540. All right, so like I said, you can get the whole sliders from me. Sorry, the whole pictures I'm using for your own practice, you can get it from me. So that will be easy for you. All right, so that will be easy for you. So I'll choose this as my featured image for my first slider. Is a picture of an aeroplane. It shows, is a delivery company. So I just click on set featured image here. You see it has appeared here. Then just click on publish. All right. If you have any question, you can just be dropping the question now, and I'll be answering you. Then on the comment section, then add another one for our second slider. Add another one. Our second slider. Okay. It's a worldwide delivery. Worldwide delivery. All right, there's nothing to be added here, no problems. Come down here, as usual, template, another template. You choose Elementor full width, and come down, hide title, then select picture. Like I said, I can make these pictures available for you in a zipped format and send to you just for 5,000 naira, so that you can be using instead of going to sort your pictures and looking for the sizes and all of those things. It's going to be a bit stressful. So if you need it, you contact me for your own this thing. So I'm going to use a boat picture of 1080x by 540. This, so I'll use it. That's my featured image. Allow it to load and it will appear here. So set as featured image. That is that. Then you click on publish. All right, so let's add the third page, add new. Our third slider, move shipment anywhere. Remember, I'm getting inspiration from that sample website everywhere. So as usual, come here, Elementor full width. After practicing, after learning this, you can actually try your own. Your own may even look better than mine. All right, your website, you can even be more creative than I am. So what picture should we use? What picture should we use? What picture should we use? Let me use a picture of trucks. Yeah, pictures of trucks will be nice. And I'm looking for 1080 by 540. 1080 by 540. Ooh, 1080 by 540. Are you sure I have 1080 by 540 on this picture? Let's just use another picture. Let's use another picture. Let's use another picture, even if it is a warehouse. Picture we can use. Let's use which picture should I use? Which picture should I use? Which picture should I use? You see, choosing a picture to even use is another, you know. 1080. Why is it not showing? Why am I not seeing 1080? Take a look at 1080 by 440. Let's use this stock picture that's 1080 by 440. So I'll just click on it, open. As you can see. Then you come down here and click on set featured image. Okay, then click on publish. That is that for our slider. So after our slider, let's go to add these four columns. All right, these 4 columns, let's go to add it. So I'll just come here the same way we added the rest. Look at the 4 columns here. We are fast is the title. So I'll just come here and just add new. All right, it can be anything. I'm just showing you how you can design it. It mustn't be exactly like this, but your creativity is where your creativity will tell. All right, I'll just copy this because for the purpose of the file I'm teaching you. So come here and paste it. Our team of experts are always available to handle your request with speedy delivery is assured. I think that is that for that. Then this one you don't need to select anything here because we don't need it. Just hide title here. Come here, set image. This image I'm setting is this small image here. So this one doesn't have to. The size is not a problem. So you can just pick any image with any size. All right, just pick any image with any size. So let me just pick the smaller the image, the faster the loading. So let's just choose this 540 by 540. So click on it, set, publish, then come back here, customer support. Okay, customer support. Let's see, add new, customer support. Our customer support is fast and reliable. Whatever you want to write here, in case you do not know which delivery method fits well for you, our experts are ready to guide you through. All right, this is just those write-ups there. So hide title as usual, and choose any image. In this session I told you any image can serve. Since it's customer support, you can just put human being picture. Since it's customer support, just click on it, then come to publish. And the next one is ocean cargo, right? Ocean cargo. Okay, let's add new. Ocean cargo. Ocean cargo, okay. You come here, let's copy this. Okay. And paste here. No matter the size of your shipment, our ocean cargo is made just to fit your delivery needs. All right, so haven't done that. Come here, hide title, come to this place, set featured image. As usual, this one doesn't have to be anything. You can even choose the picture that is already uploaded. Since it's ocean cargo, I'll have picture of a ship or a boat. Let's make do of this. Let's choose this picture. All right, because it's ocean. So let's choose that picture. Set, publish. All right, our website is coming up small. Don't worry. I'll refresh so that you see. Storage durability. Storage durability. I'm going to pick any picture that has any kind of storage or warehouse or anything. So add new. Add new storage durability. So you come here. Our storage system is very sophisticated that we ensure your shipment is in perfect condition at all time. Okay, then come here, hide title as usual. Storage, that means you're going to go for a storage picture, maybe containers. Any container picture can serve because you store in container or even warehouse. So let's choose this. Like I say, these pictures I can make it available for you so that you not start looking for pictures and getting, and just text me and I'll make it available for you. And I'm still saying it. Don't text me if you don't have at least money to appreciate me with 5,000 naira is not too much to get all the pictures. All right, so we publish, and it's not compulsory, please. You can find your picture from wherever you want to. If you want something fast, you can just contact me. So after publishing, we are done with these 4 columns, all right? Then let's do this before I can come back to, make them show on the website. But let's do all this first. So I'm going to add, this thing is 3 columns, all right? And mind you, different themes has different ways of customizing them. If you choose another theme now, it is not going to be as I'm customizing this, I'm going to customize that. But if you have the concrete knowledge of WordPress, every theme at all that you choose, you can just use your head to manipulate on things and find a way to actually do things, and it will still work for you perfectly. This thing I'm doing is for this particular theme. All right, so if you want to follow this method, you have to choose a particular theme. All right, of course, you can play around with as many themes as possible, both free and premium. Like I said, I'm still going to be designing one with a premium theme, and you see that the steps will still be different. But generally, WordPress has a general way of doing things. If you have the knowledge of WordPress, you can actually do it. This particular website, whether you design websites or not, if you follow me through, you're going to be able to design your own courier website. But if you want to enhance your knowledge more in WordPress, if you are new to WordPress, I have a course for it. You can come to my DM and I will get you enrolled. Pre-recorded videos just like this one. Everything. We design a lot of websites. I and my team on that. So if you want it, you just text me. Let's get started immediately. All right. So why we stand out, all these things, let's create it here now to be another page. Why we stand out. This is the title. As you can see, title. Put it here. I'll copy all this stuff. All right, because I don't have strength to start writing things from my head. So, but I know you're intelligent, so you can write things from your head. But for me, I don't have the strength, so I'll just copy from this our website we are using to, so look at it. This one doesn't have any featured image, so I mustn't even put any featured image here, but I'll just hide that. I don't need to even hide title, but whether I hide title or not, it's fine on this particular one. So let's not hide title, let's just publish. All right, let's just publish. So coming back to this place here now, let's do this particular one now. So professional courier service, this will be the title. Professional courier service. So I'll add another page. Professional courier service. By now you should agree with me that WordPress is very simple. I'll copy this. Professional courier. I'll copy this. Professional courier service. We'll look for these pictures and upload. I'll paste here. We have a team of dedicated staff that handles your code professionally. We have handled more than 1,000 delivery requests since inception. Me self-service because English. You can speak any English you want to speak. That doesn't really matter. Hide title. Let's just hide title. Set profile picture. So since it's a professional courier, let's look for somebody that looks professional. Looks like a courier man that is professional. A delivery man. So let's search for the picture here. Okay. Let's search for the picture here. We can use one of these pictures. I use one of these pictures. Let's use this 40 by 480. I use this picture. This picture should go well. Okay. As you can see here, they use another picture, but okay, they use this picture I want to use here. But no while we can interchange them here. Sets. Alright. Then publish. Alright. The next one is delivered packages. Delivered package. Let me just go and type it. Don't be lazy, Collins. Type it. Let me go and type it. So, delivered packages. Please, if you are designing your own and after designing, you can just send it to me. Let me see how creative you can be. All right. We delivered successfully packages ranging from consumer goods to electronics and even postal packages. You can trust us with any form of delivery. Okay, for the sake of tutorial, anything can go there, but if you're designing for yourself, you know what to write there. All right, so let's choose an image for that. Let's choose an image for that. Where is that my guy here with the delivery? The pictures I used in this this thing, I have more than those pictures, so it's not just. Where is this guy? Where is this guy? Or should we just use this? We just use this picture. Let's just see if we can use this one. Let's use this picture. 640 by 480 is okay for that. 640 by 480 set. All right. So publish. Good. Now, if you refresh this page, this is our page now. Nothing will show up. All right. Now, these are the whole this thing we created, the whole pages we created. It automatically adds it as a menu. So we are going to create a menu and remove all these things here. All right. So that's what we're going to do next. As you can see, our website is still like this. So go back to this place and under menu appearance, all right, menus, as you can see. And let's go and create our own normal menu. That menu looks abnormal. That's plenty of things. So let's create our menu. Let's say menu, main menu, and let's call it main menu. All right, then select primary and footer side. Let's create. So if you've created it, you can now add things to the menu. All right, first of all, let me add home and track. We'll add others to menu. So let's add home and track to our menu. See, so save menu. Save menu. If I come here and refresh, these menus would have disappeared. As you can see, home and track. We'll still add more, but for now, let it be like this. So let's go and make all these things appear now on our website. I'll come to, this is our WordPress dashboard. I'll come to this customize. All right, under appearance, customize, click on it. And it will open up this place for you. All right, this is your site, this is where you're editing. So first of all, let's come to home page settings, choose a static page. You see all these pages we've created is here now, so I'll just choose home. You see, if we didn't select that remove title, your title now will be showing here, which is not looking nice. So we selected it so that it won't show. The home now won't show here. All right, so I'll click on publish. Then let's make all those things appear. Team control panel here. All right, click on it. Okay, slider session. I'm going to choose the sliders. Now look at the first one, welcome. Now look at the second one, move the worldwide delivery. And look at the second one, move shipment anywhere. Move shipment everywhere. Then you now click on check to show this session. I'll click on it. As you can see, you see it's showing now. All right, you can add slider read more button name here. All right, if you want, if let's assume this our pages that we created here, we had some, we just created it, we added pictures, All right, we didn't add any content to it. I don't know if you understand. If you had added content and you want people to click on read more to visit the main page of the content, you can just write read more here. But since we just don't want that, we just want the slider for the purpose of the slider. We don't want anybody to click to enter anywhere. We just leave it like that. So click on publish. All right, we'll go back. All right, then these are our top 4 columns. Click on it. Remember our top 4 columns. Select. We said we are fast. You select it. We said storage, okay, delivered customer support, select it. Delivered packages, we'll select it. And the storage durability, I think so, we'll select it. These are the pages we created earlier. Then show this session, click on it. You see, it has showed the session here. So publishers, you can see our website is coming up gradually. Then go back. All right. Go back to welcome session. That welcome session, remember, the first one is we stand out. Why we stand out? Click on it. The second one is what? The second one is let's say, what's the second one, Seth? The second one is okay, professional courier service and delivered packages. Okay, professional courier service and delivered packages. So you check this session to show. Oh, I think I have delivered packages. Yeah, it's fine. You see it has shown. So you just click on publish. All right. So if you've clicked on publish, let's come here and refresh this is our website. Let's refresh it and see how far we've gone. As you can see, the website is coming up gradually. We are populating it. So I'll be right back in a jiffy. Let's continue. For now, let's go for a brief break. As you can see, the website is coming up. We are still going to add more things. We are going to add more things and we'll come back from our break. Thank you very much and see you soon. So welcome back. This, as you can see, the level we've gotten to this level where our website is now live with some of the things we want you to look at it. You know, it has a slider, it has a section, and it has a section. Now I want you to understand the fact that this whole thing is just because this is how the script is. Now I say the script, sorry, the template that I'm using, the WordPress theme that I'm using. Now this one comes with a slider. All right, it comes with a slider and it comes with this section where you can just touch some buttons and, you know, create some pages and it will appear. All right, but I want you to understand that if it is another theme, you may not have all these functionalities. You can actually create even this slider. You can create slider from scratch without having the scripts, without using the script slider functionality. There are plugins, WordPress plugins, you can actually add slider to a plain page. All right, so I want you to understand that this thing is flexible depending on the script you're using. So you just have to apply some kind of we've not built anything. We've not even used the Elementor builder, and we have gotten to this stage because the team affords us the opportunity to actually get to this part without even having to build anything. All right, now look at this is the one we've built to this extent. Look at the one we are replicating. Now all this place now, from here down, from this place now, we're going to be building it with Elementor. We're going to be adding all these places with Elementor. All right, like I said, both the slider and everything can be built from scratch using the appropriate plugin. But we are lucky here that this particular team affords us an opportunity to use its own theme, slider, and this part and this part. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to explain here. All right, what I'm trying to say in essence is it is flexible. You can actually do it anyhow you want to do it. So let us continue. Haven't gotten to this side. Let us continue. We're going to be adding this part down to this part. That means we're going to be building this page now. All right, starting from here. So we are going to do that with Elementor. So what we are going to do is to go back to our, remember we stopped here the last time. All right, we stopped here the last time. Okay, now let me add something for you. This up session now, Let me add it once and for all. Since we are here, we are still going to add logo, but not now. This obsession, let's add it. Coming back to your WordPress dashboard, let me check if I'm say recording. Okay, I think I'm recording. So you can see here header contact info. All right, I'll click on it. This is your office time. Let me just put for now available 247. All right, then your phone number, you can add your phone number, right? Let's say plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is where you add your phone number. Then your email, add your email address here. All right, let me see. Okay, add your email address here. Let's add our official email address that one we created before. info at the website name.com. All right, then you check this session to show. As you can see, it has shown. All right, it has shown. So just click on publish. Then go back, get inquiry button. This get inquiry button is responsible for this track shipment here. Like I said, all these things is because the team has afforded us the opportunity and these functionalities. All right, if you're using a different team, you can actually build all these things from scratch using the plugins that are necessary for it and page builder that is required. If you're even using a premium WordPress template or a premium WordPress theme, you have bigger functionalities. You have some functionalities that are just at your disposal. All right, mad functionalities. So it depends on you and what you want. So let's say you can add get an inquiry button here, but me, I choose to use track shipment because I'm building a shipment website, so that we'll just attach it to our button. Now our shipment page is this slash, because of the this thing we are using, the plugin we are using. This is it, track form. Or I just put it like this that you are seeing it. Then check to show this inquiry button. You see that it will appear. As you can see, it has appeared. Then click on publish. All right, so we've achieved all this place now. So let's go down now to add more things to our site. As you can see, it stops here. We are going to go to add more to our website. So to do that, we have to go back, click on this X to go back and come back to this our section here. So remember, if we are to add pages, remember this our static page is our home page. So let's go and edit it and add some more pages. So I'll come to pages here, all pages. All right, just follow me up. You see home, you see front page. Home is already indicating that it's the front page. So I'm going to edit, click on edit here. If I click on edit here, it shows me a blank space. All right, so I'm going to edit with Elementor. Look at it. Elementor is just one of the many page builders on WordPress. So we are going to be using Elementor for the sake of this particular course. So I'm going to edit with Elementor. I'm trying to make sure this video we are done in 1 hour. Now, if you are using script, it would have been done by now. If you are using script to design this, it would have been done by now. But the only thing is, if you are using script, you have to, of course, buy the scripts. So for those of you that doesn't like to spend money, or want to explore your creativity, that is why I'm doing this. So you see our website now. We've clicked Elementor. We've gotten here. See our website. So we're going to be adding some more pages to it. All right. Now look at it. Now look at. Excuse me. Look at it. Layout, basic. Pro. This element also has a pro version. Look at what is available in the pro version. If you have the pro version of this plugin, it is it will afford you a lot of other functionalities. All right, and it is not expensive. And once you've gotten it, you can be using it for as many websites as possible. But I decided that in this video, I'm going to make everything free. I'm going to make sure I use all the free, so that I'll still give you the idea that free, you can do it free. All right, the little thing you're going to be spending is your time. Like we've been spending now. If you're using a premium, it would have been done. If you're using script, it would have been done. But since we want things free and we want to explore our creativity, we are taking it, like this. So everything we're going to be using here is free. So what I'm going to do is look at our website we are trying to, get to look like. So we are going to be adding these pictures. First of all, I want you to understand something. Every website is divided into rows and columns. Rows is like this. Column is this particular one now is just 1, 2, 3 rows, then 2 columns. That is 1, 2. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm trying to say, but this is 2 columns and 3 rows. All right, so we are going to be adding it using Elementor. So first of all, we'll come back here to our Elementor. We have 2 images here. So come here, click on this plus sign here, add. All right, so we're going to divide it into, since we have 2 now, so we're going to choose this one with 2 columns. All right, so we just click on it. As you can see, it has added these 2 columns already for you. It has added these 2 columns already for you. All right, I want you to do something for me. This content width, you can leave it at boxed. Box means it will be boxed, like you see this one is boxed. You see it doesn't get to the edge. All right, but this one is full width. You can leave it at boxed or full width, nothing, it doesn't really matter, but I want you to leave this one at full width. So full width here. All right, so I think we are going to add our images. Since it's image, we are supposed to add it. So you click on this plus sign here after adding it, plus sign, and to open up this place for you, you can add image. Just click and drag this image to it. As you can see, that's added the image. All right, come here to click on this plus sign and drag your image to it. As you can see, that's added the image. So let's change the image now. Let's change the image. Come here, choose image. On this one now, come here, choose image. All right, let's go and choose, let's see, okay, dedicated style. Let's go and choose this image. I have this image on my PC. Let's go and select it. Where is that image? Where is that image? Where is that image? Show up. Okay, see the image here. So I would like to use 640 by 480. So click on it, open. All right, then enter. As you can see, now what other image? This image. Okay, storage facility. Remember, this one is 680 by 480. I mean 640 by 480. This one too should be that same size so that it can balance. So I'll click on this image, to change the image. I've clicked on it, come back to here, click on the image, then storage facility. I'll just look for anything that shows storage facility, that container picture, or, but I still remember it's 640 by 480. So here, I'll just select this one, open. Like I said, if you need these pictures, you can just DM me and I'll send it to you, a zip file, 5,000 naira. So just click on select here. You see, it has added. Now there is something we can do. If you check this now, we've added the image. Next thing, there is a subheading here, and there's a title here, and there is a text here. All right, so you can either do it in 2 ways. Now look at what you're going to do here. It's either you add another 2 section and make it your title. All right, like this. You can add this like this, and put your title here. If you click on this plus sign, you come here, you can use your heading. All right, put here. As you can see, it's already here. But there are so many other easy ways to do it, but let me just take it slowly so that you understand it. Then here too, click on plus sign. Okay, first of all, let me reduce the size. If you want to reduce the size, as you clicked on here, as you are still on this place, you come to HTML tag, header 2. Come and reduce it to, like, say, header 5. You see, it has reduced. So let's type in our dedicated staff. See where you can type it here. See title here, dedicated staff. As you can see. All right, if you want to centralize it, you can click on this place here, alignment center. All right, there are a lot of things you can actually do here, even in advance. So I would like you to, when you're on your own, you can just play around all these things. I wouldn't have too much time to actually show you all these things, but like I said, I have a full WordPress course on it. So if you're interested, you can just DM me and get your course and start learning. All these things you can still use it to manipulate 1 or 2 things. All right, margin is the distance between your text and this box. If I start adjusting it now, you see that my text will start going either down or sideways. Let me show you what I mean. See now on this now, let's say I'm adjusting the top. Okay, it's negative, so I'm going down. Let's say I'll unlink this so that all of them will not be going at the same time. So I'll click on here. So top now, if I want to add top margin, you see, if I want the distance between that now, as you can see, then let's reduce it to 0 too. And if I want it to shift a little bit from the side. Look at this right. I can, okay, it's at the edge, so it can't go. It's already at the edge. So let's see this left now. You see, if you want to shift it a bit. So there are a lot of things you can actually do, but I don't want to go too deep. I just want us to design a courier website. So let's get back to this place now. This place is supposed to have our header too. So click on add plus and put our heading here. And remember, our HTML tag header 2 should be 5. Then what is our title there? Storage facility. Let's say storage facility. Am I correct? Okay. So the next thing we're going to add is a text box for this text and this text. So it's T2, so I'll add 2. All right, so I just click on this and add 2 columns. All right, so here I click on plus sign. Let's not forget to, I've clicked on this particular place now. I'm going back to content. Style. You can change the color of your text here, but I want to just leave mine like this because I want to be fast. You can change the color of your text on that style. All right, you can see that. You can change the color of your text. And if you go back to content, look at it. You can change the size of your text and, you know, do a lot of things. If you want to even link this particular heading to somewhere, you can put the link here and link it. It's very, very smart. So we've added this. So let's add our text. Click on plus sign. Instead of type heading, we are going to put text editor here. All right, here too. It comes with a default lorem is prompt text, so we are going to edit it here now. Come here. All right, so that is that for that. Then if you come back to here, let's see what we are. Let's just copy this and paste, so that will be fast. Here under the educated staff, please paste as plain text so that it does not inherit anything from the other side. Some qualities of the text from the other side, it doesn't inherit it. So just paste as plain text. Look at it. So there is a W here. Now if you want that W to be in caps lock or drop like this now, like this one here now, this is what you have to do. Let's see, under style. Okay. Let's add this one first. Let's add this one first. So here you come here, storage facilities, blah 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 blah. There are a lot of things you can do actually. A lot of things you can do. Paste in plain sight. So there is this O here. Let me not forget. Okay, delivery. Okay. As you can see, very easy, right? Very easy. Very easy. So if you want more, you know, advanced settings, you can play around it. But as for now, we are done with this. So this is it. So let's click on update. So if we click on update, let's come back to our website to check. This is our website. This is where we stopped before. So let's click on refresh. As you can see, you see it has added this page. All right, it has added this page. See, beautiful. So the next thing we are going to do is to add this part. All right, adding this part now, we have a heading here. So first of all, let's add the heading. Come here, click on this plus sign to add a new container. All right, I call it container. So I'm going to add, since it's just one column, I'll just add this. As you can see, it's here already. So let's add our heading. Click on plus sign. Our heading is, just drag it and drop here. All right, we can make it, let's centralize it. See here, come down here and centralize it. All right, is my network bad? What happened? What happened here? Okay, I think let's remove this first. I don't understand what's going on here. Let's remove this first and do it again. Okay, click on plus sign and add this. All right, then click on this plus sign to add the heading. All right, I don't know why this is okay. You see, so we can centralize it here. What is the test here? When it comes to delivery and logistics, we are the best. Let's just copy it and be fast. come back here and paste it here. I'll try to be a little bit fast so that I can get it done. If you have any question, you ask me now in the comment section and I'll reply you. And logistics. All right, so that is that for that. I won't do much here. So come down again. Now have 3 pictures, 3 subheadings, and 3 text. So I'm going to add 3 columns. All right, so come here, click on plus sign, add 3 columns. 3 columns, 3 columns, 3 columns, 3 columns. Select your structure. I'm not seeing any good structure, but let's use this. Let's use this. Let me check something. There are so many ways. There are so many things you can actually do. So many things you can actually do. So let's choose this one. You see? Now, choosing this one now, it didn't divide it evenly. All right, it didn't divide it evenly. And this place is telling us boxed. So, since it didn't divide it evenly, you can go ahead and do it like this, or you can just adjust it. You understand? I just adjust it so to be a bit even. I don't know if you get my point. I just adjust it to be a bit even. Anyhow you actually want to do it is fine. But this is now our 3 columns. So let's start by adding, there's something I'll show you here. Let's start by adding pictures. All right. So come down here, click on plus sign, add your image. The same thing here. Add your image. The same thing here. Let's say this container now. If you want to add this container, let's see. You see, if you want to add container, you can add container inside. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm trying to say. You can add inside another one, depending on the structure, how you want to structure your website. All right, but we don't need it, so let's delete this. All right, so we have this. Let's add our picture, images here. All right, let's increase this a bit. You get the point, Abby? Did you get why I had to increase it? I hope you get it. I hope you get it. Okay. So like this is fine. So now instead of adding 3 column again, I be 3 column for these images, for this subtitles. I decided to do it here, adding it one by one because we are learning. But here now, you'll see what I'm going to do here. So haven't gotten to this place, you come back to see this hamburger icon here. Look at it on top, this edit container here. Just click on it so that it will show you this particular stuff again. All right, so heading, I'll just pick this heading instead of adding columns. I'll just pick this heading under here. I'll just drop it to add by itself. Come down here again, pick the heading under here, drop it. You see, like this, I can't drop it like this because of this line. It will drop by the side, but like this, you know, it will drop under because of that line. I don't know the color of that line, but you see this line to drop under. Come again, this your heading to come here, see, drop it under. The next thing is our text. Come here again, click this hamburger icon, that's what it's called. Click on it to show you this part again. Then text editor, pick it up, see, make sure it's under here. See, if it's like this, don't drop it. If it's like this, you can drop it. All right, I know you know how to drag something. If you're on a Windows PC, just as it is here, left click, place your hand on the mouse side and just drag under here, drop it. You know, this is the easiest way to do instead of adding columns and columns and columns. I just did that before because I wanted to teach you something, but now this is the best thing I can just do. See, very fast. So this is it. We've achieved this thing now. So what we are going to do now is to add our images, add our text, and add our this thing. So come here, our images, click on images. Let's upload. Which image are we going to? Which image are we going to choose? Okay, truck fleet. So let's choose any truck fleet image. Any truck fleet image. So I think I have it here. Okay, let's choose this one. There's no need to go too far. I like 640 by 480 is fine, so I'll just choose here 640 by 480 here to appear. Then what next are we adding? Cargo fleet. Okay, we just look for, click on it, come here, then upload, select files. So we are looking for any cargo picture. Any cargo picture. Okay, let's choose any of this. Let's choose any of this. 640 by 482, so that it will align properly. Then click on select. Then under here to click on it. Click on choose image. And what are we choosing here? Okay, air cargo fleet. So look for an aeroplane picture. So you come down your aeroplane picture. Yeah. Okay, I think we've seen one aeroplane here. But we're looking for 640 by 480. As you can see, all these things has, if I'm sending in these pictures, you see that the sizes are here already, so you don't have to start resizing and all those kind of things to make it easier for you. Click on 640 by 480, open. But you can get your pictures from anywhere and just use your own appropriate size. All right, doesn't really matter. Select. So you see, it has entered. So let's now go and add our subtitles, our titles, sorry. Let's just copy it and be fast. Copy. Here, let's make our header h5 or h4. H5 is fine, and let's centralize it. All right, and we'll just paste it here. All right, coming to this one too. Just try to follow up fast, so that, because I can see we wasted some kind of time. So just come here, paste it, or centralize it here. Come here, air cargo fleet. As usual, come here. Your right hand side is where it's showing, and your left hand side is where you can edit it. Let's paste it here. All right, come down here. Let's put 5. All right, so it to be small. Then let's centralize it. So our text, let's go and copy our text here. Copy. Remember to paste with plain text, so that you don't inherit anything from that other website. Paste as plain text. Hour. There's an O here, so I'll put it here. Come here, let's copy this text too, or click on this space, paste. We have, okay, you see what I'm saying? We didn't paste it, we pasted with we didn't paste with plain. I'm glad I did this mistake. We didn't paste as plain text, so it has inherited something from that side, which is making it look like this. So let's Control Z. Let's paste plain text. As you can see, do you see why I always suggest you paste with plain text? So coming here, especially when you're copying and pasting, let's copy again. I love to copy and paste because it makes my work easier. Come here, but let's paste as plain text. All right, there's a D here. Okay, so after this, let's click on update. Don't forget to always click on update. Then come here, this is our site, this is where we'll stop. Let's refresh, and we'll see that it will come down. You see, it has added this one for us. Very perfect and beautiful, as you can see. All right, so we'll continue editing. The next thing we're going to add is this session. I'm going to add this session. Okay, welcome back. I went for a brief break. I know you may not notice because this is a recorded video, so I just went for a brief break. So let's continue. This is where we stopped. This is where we stopped. And look at our website. Our website is coming up. Where is it? This is our website. All right. If you can notice, you see this one we are trying to replicate. It didn't get to the end. Look at this space, because it's like in a container form, is in a boxed form. But this one is full width. All right. You saw when I was setting it the other time. So let's continue. All right, we've achieved up to this point, so let's achieve this particular session now, having this guy, this picture, excellent tracking system on track, shipment, this button here. So we are going to replicate this by going back to our WordPress. All right, our WordPress dashboard, under pages, we're editing this page with Elementor. I'm sure you remember how we got here. So let's continue immediately. So now look at this place. We have two columns, 1, 2. All right. Here's the first column, is the second column. Then under the second column, we have 1, 2, 3 rows. The first row is title, the second is text, and the third is button. So let's get it done now. First of all, I have to click on this plus sign to add a 2-column space, which is this. All right, this is it. So the first one, you see, this is boxed. Boxed. We can make it, if you want it boxed, you can make it boxed. That means it will not get to the edge. But let's just make it full width. All right, let's make it full width this time around. So I'll have to add picture here. So just click on add, this plus sign, click on add image, just drag this image and put here. All right, then click on this to add the image. Let's go. I think the image is already here already, so let's not go far. I can just add it from here because we uploaded it already before. All right, so let's just add it from here straight up, or we can even decide to just add this one. We can decide to just add this one. Select, see, it has added. So the next thing is you're going to put this title, text space, and button. So here, instead of clicking on plus and everything, you remember what I did the other time. All right, you can click on plus and be adding, but I'll just click on this hamburger icon here, left hand corner under this edit image. You can see it here. Follow my mouse, look at it here. Just click on it, then come down here. I think we have heading, drag it here. You see, we have text. Just click here again, go down, text editor, drag it down here, make sure it's under here. You see that line has shown under this your heading, so just drop it there. All right, then the next one is button. We'll look for button here. Look at our button here, drag it. You see, using WordPress and Elementor. In fact, WordPress as a whole is very, very okay and swift. All right, look at it here, just drop it here. So now let's edit. So under the heading, click on heading. You see, excellent tracking system. I just copy it and get done with it. Go back here. You see, and this is where you edit. Left hand side is where you edit. Right hand side is your preview. So you click on paste here. Look at it as pasted. And come here. Copy this text too. Come here, click on it. It will appear. The editing, this will appear on the left. Just paste it here, or paste as plain text. Then our button, just click on it. It will open up here for editing. So under click here, you can see track, since we are dealing with delivery website, track shipment. Now, if they click the track shipment, where will it go? That is where you add the link here. All right. Now, I've told you, for the purpose of the plugin we are using for tracking, we've not gotten there, but we just installed the WP Cargo. We'll get there and I'll show you how to use it. For the purpose of that, our tracking page link will be this: your website name /track-form. All right. And that is that for that. So you click on update. But there's something I want to do. I want this thing to come down like it's up. I want it to come down. All right. I want it to come down. So I'll just click on it like this. I'll click on this particular box, this title box like this. I'll click on it. I'll just go to, I told you, you go to advanced. There are so many things you can do in the advanced section. Look at the advanced. Margin is the distance between the text and the box. So I can, from top, if I increase the number from top, I'll click on this link so that I'll unlink all of them. So that when I'm increasing the top, the right will not be increasing, the bottom will not be increasing. I just want to do it individually. So I'll just click here to unlink it. So the top, let's add value to it. You see, adding value. See how it's coming down. So you just drag it down to anywhere you want it to be. I like it here. So just leave it like this. There are so many ways there are so many things you can actually do here. Look at width, align self. There are so many things inside, so you can just play around them. Then you can even add, I can even add background picture to this other box, to this particular box. Let me add it so that you see now. This whole box, all right. This whole box that contains this heading, this text, and this button. So let's click on here. Look at this place now. Let's click on it. here, as you can see it. We'll click on it. We'll click on it. You go to style. All right, see background. Click on this classic. It will show you to add image. So let's click on add image. I want us to add background to that. Should we use this background and see if it goes well? Okay, as you can see, it's not bad. All right, but what we'll have to do, because this place is dark, let's change the colors of this so that it will match. This is just something extra that I'm just doing it to show you that you can play around it. So let's change this text now. You see, I've clicked on this excellent tracking so that it will bring out its own editing tab at the left. So let's click on style. Come here, this is the color. Click on it. You can, drag the colors anyhow you want it. Like I say, this one is your creativity also matters here. All right, because you're not using scripts, you're not using free templates. Because your creativity matters too. So I don't know if we should use white or red. Let me use white. I'm sure you'll be more creative than I am, so you can use any color. This one too, this text. I'm going to go to style and change the color to white. Let's see. I think I prefer this. Let's not do too much. Okay, let me change this button color to red. Click on the button. All right, click on style. See the color here, the background color. So let's change it to, let's say, red. Right. So I think this is okay for me. You can play around it, but this is okay for me. So that is it for that. You see, the one we copied, look at how it is, and look at the one we are using. So it's both of them are fine. So we are done with that. So the next one we are going to do is gallery. Gallery just shows the pictures, some pictures of the company. All right, so let's just go here and click on gallery. Now look at, let's add this gallery. This gallery is 1, 2, 3 columns, right? 1, 2, 3 columns and 2 rows. I don't know if you understand. 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 2 rows, 1, 2. I don't know if you understand. I don't know how to explain this to you. I've tried doing my editing to show it with something so that you understand it, but this is 3 columns, 2 rows. So I'm going to add 3 columns section here. All right, like this. Let's go back to our editing panel. Click on this plus sign. Since we are looking at 3, okay, this is 6. As you can see, this is 6 already. So let's just use this 6 directly. If you can't use this 6, you can still use this 3. Add it twice. All right, but let's just use this 6 directly since 6 is here. Check which particular one that suits you. All right, and use. That is just how it is. And you can also manipulate it. Do you get? Like I said, if you want to have a very grounded, in-depth knowledge of WordPress, if you are new to WordPress, I have a course, a full course on WordPress. I'll teach you a lot of things. So you can also enroll to learn more. All right, to learn more. I cannot finish everything in just one video. I'm even trying so that this video will not be up to 1 hour, but I think we're even getting there already. So, but I'm trying to say you can actually do a whole lot. So since we are looking for 6, look at it, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just go straight. And the option is, let's just go straight and pick 6. So you see, that's added 6 already. Oh, before that, we are supposed to add this heading here. All right, we didn't add it. Now we would have added it. Let me show you something. Let me cancel this. Would have added it by just doing like this. Add one, you see, finish it up and come and add that 6 again. But just in the case you made that same mistake I made by adding this 6 already, and you want to actually add one on top in between this and this, just click on this plus sign again here, and it's open. You see what happens. So you just add 1. All right, so this one will contain our heading and this one will contain our images. So our heading is gallery. So I'll just put heading, drag it here. Let's centralize it. Right, just put gallery. Remember, you can change the color of this gallery to anything. Right, it mustn't be that color. You can change it to anything. All right, so but just using the base color here of this theme, so it's fine. So let's add some pictures just to show that this company has some picture galleries and all. All right, there are a lot of things you can do, but me, I'm just adding pictures and I'm trying to make it very, very easy and fast. So let's just add, click on plus sign, drag your image here, as you can see here too, drag your image here too, drag your image here too, drag your image here. Same thing with here. Drag your image. If I'm doing this on my own, I'll be very, very fast. 30 minutes to 1 hour, I'm done. But let's take it easy together. So here now, you click and you come to change the image. Let's just go. I think I have some images you can also upload. I have some images. If you want to, okay, let me add some images first. Let's add some, okay, let's do this. Let's add this image. I like this image. But let's use 640 by 480 for all of them. So I just click here. Excuse me. Click here. Add it up. Come here to go select the image. Like I said, if you need all this image, you let me know. I'll zip it and send to you for 5,000 naira. Token of 5,000 naira. This is not compulsory in case. But for those of you that want to just get started and be fast about it without having to worry yourself about images and resizing and everything, you can contact me and I'll send you these images for your own practice. Should we add this? Should we add this? Okay, let's add it. I basically just add in images. Let's add to these two. Let's go down. Let's see. The choice of image is actually yours to make. All right, it's actually yours to make. Let's add these containers too. Okay, so these two, let's be fast about it. Upload. Let's say we add should we add a stroke? Let's go down. I think we have some better pictures below. Let's even add. Let's add this. Let's add this boat. This ship. You see, so we're adding galleries now. Let's go back and just upload another image. Let's find another fine image you can use. Another fine image you can use. 640 by 480. If you are doing something in one section, make sure the images are of the same size so that you can align properly. The one will not be bigger than one. All right. So I'm sure you're following me. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section now. All right, so that I will attend to it. And don't expect to be as fast and as perfect if you are just getting started with WordPress. All right, practice, they say, makes perfection. So let's go down. Let's look for another image to add. Let's add this aeroplane and just get on with it. So you see, it is done. So just click on save. You see, so we are done with this. Let's go to our this now, refresh. This is our page. This is where I started before. So let's refresh and see. As you can see, it has added these parts. Very, very fine and cute. All right, as you can see, it's pretty. And gallery too. We just added the gallery section here. So it has ended. So what I like to add, this particular site, we are done replicating this site. As you can see, we are done. But let's just add some more things, because for the purpose of me teaching you, let me just add some more stuff to it. So let me just add, let's say some companies will partner with. Let's put a heading here. Let's say partners. All right. Let's centralize it. So under partners, you have let's say we are partnering with like 6 companies. So I'll just click on this and see if there is no one that has 6 columns here. There is no one that has 6 columns here. So what do we do? Okay, let's use 4. Let's use 4. Now if we use 4, look at this. Look at what I'm going to do now. Duplicate. You see, so what I'm doing now. So we used 4, but I'm duplicating. I'm clicking on each section and duplicating to make it 6. All right, so if I right click on here and duplicate it to add another box, as you can see, 6. So we've achieved our 6. So like I said, there are so many ways to manipulate it. So let's add the company logo and see. Let's add the company's logo. But before we add the company's logo is white. So let's make this background a little bit dark so that the white can show. Now look at it, the whole section. This is where, if you want to edit the whole section, this is where you can click to edit it. And it's already boxed. Let's leave it at boxed, or should we make it full width? Let's make it full width. Then under style, let's make it dark color. Dark. Let's make it a little bit dark. Are you seeing that? Using that. Okay, so let's add the images of the companies. I still have some images here. Click here, add the image, 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 click here, add the image. So here now we're going to upload all the images. Upload, select. Let's see, I have some company logos here. Okay, look at them. Okay, let's click on this one first. Oh, okay. Be careful of the size too, because the size is very important so that it will all lap. Okay. Let's see this. Okay, this is I'll go down, go down, go down. Let's see if this works. I'm just showing you, you can actually do it in whichever way you want. As you can see, you see it has appeared here. It has appeared here, so let's check this. Let's remove this again. Oh, I hope you're following. Just add pictures of company logos to show that they are your partners, That's just how it is. As you can see, you can download your own company logos, or you can just use this one to show that they are your partners. You go down, where are those my logos? Okay, let's say this, and if you notice, I'm using 160 by 160. Using 160 by 160, so as a size. So you may want to take note of that. Hipster. Have I uploaded this one before? I think I have. Workers. I don't know if I've uploaded this, but let's upload it and see. Workers. Then here again, go down, go down, go down. Find the logo you want to use. Find the logo you want to use. Hipster. Let's use Hipster here. All right, if we left it at white background, all these things will not show. All right, so that's why I had to change it to black background. So the last image we're going to upload is anyone. Let's just check for any logo, any company logo image. Okay. Okay. I think this is this. So I think I've used it before, but for the purpose of this class, let's just use it again. I use another logo. I'll find another logo and use. Let's just use this one again. So click on it. So you see we've achieved this session. All right, let me change this color. Let me change this color. I feel like changing this partner's color. So style to something red. Your coloring is your business though. Okay, so you can just click on update. All right, so that is that for that. That is that for that. You see our website is delivering already. And as you can see, we've gotten so much with it. So we are going to continue doing other stuffs. All right, welcome back. If you are still following me to this point, if you are still following this video to this point, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. I'm going to be dropping more videos even on how to design this courier website using maybe scripts and using WordPress premium templates. And those ones is going to make it faster, but you have to buy the script and buy the template. So that is the difference. All right, what has an advantage definitely will have a disadvantage. So the advantage of this one I'm doing is you won't spend money buying any scripts or any premium templates, but I'll still do the videos of others so that you can at least, make your pick. All right, so you can subscribe, comment, like, means a lot to me, even if they are free. So let's continue. We stopped here. We've added all these partners here. Look at our website here. Okay, this is the one we're trying to replicate. We replicated everything and even more. So this is the one we are designing. So I'll just refresh to see if our partner logos have appeared. I'll just refresh. As you can see, look at it here, partners have appeared. So the next thing I want to do is adding our logo here. As you can see, this is Harikago Logistics Best in Delivery. This is the name of the website we set during installation. You remember when we installed WordPress here? And remember how we get to our WordPress dashboard. Sorry, yes, our WP admin where we can edit. I told you before, you can either click here after installation and go straight, or just have this URL and paste on your browser, click on it and use the username and the password you created while installing WordPress and use it to log in. So whichever way you want, you can log in. So we've gotten here. So let's go and add our logo. First of all, let's go back completely. You click on this hamburger icon here, as you can see it. Just click on exit, apply, exit, leave. I want to leave this page. So I've left it and I'm here. So going to add our logo. I've already designed my logo. You can design your logo in several ways. You can use Canva. I use Canva a lot because it's very fast and easy. All right, so you can use it or use any editing, any software to get your logo. I have my logo already. So if you're following me, design your logo and put on your computer. So you come under to this appearance, go to customize here, click on customize. All right, then come down to this site identity here. As you can see it, click on it. This is the name of the website, this is the tagline, but I will have to check this thing to remove it. Display site title, I don't want to display, so I'll just remove it because I want to add logo now. As you can see, it has disappeared. So if you want to add logo, click on this select logo. I'll upload from my computer, upload files, select files. Where is my logo? I think it's under downloads. Okay, Harika logo, click on it, then open. It has loaded. You can see the logo is there, you see. So click on select. So here you come and adjust this, drag it down here so that you can get a full logo. Drag it down here, as you can see, and crop image. You see, very, 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 very fast and beautiful. Our logo is here. Simple as that. I'm going to be making a video on how to use Canva to design logos. I use Canva to design this, but for now, you can use anything to design a logo. You can contact any graphics designer to help you design a logo, or you can do it yourself. You can also contact me, I can help you, but don't expect it to be free. So having done that, you just click on publish, and our logo is here. Now, if we come to our website and refresh, you can see our logo is here. I try to make sure it rhymed with the color of the website, so it will be nice. As you can see, our website is getting done. So now under this place, Harry Cargo Logistics Team by Grace Teams. You see, we want to remove this Team by Grace Teams. We don't want it to be here. All right. So go back to your customization panel. We've uploaded our logo, so just click on this X, this close icon here, to go back to our WordPress dashboard here. All right. So what we'll do to remove this, we want to remove this. I want to remove this now. Teams by Grace Teams. So if you come here under same appearance, all right, you go to come down to Theme File Editor. All right, there are several plugins you can actually use to automatically remove the footer credit, but some of the plugins won't work for some themes. So for this particular template I'm using, this is how to do it. I understand. Heads up. Good. So you come down, look at my mouse, follow my mouse. You come to this place, scroll down, go to theme footer, as you can see. All right, scroll down, let's find where that thing is. As you can see, Team by Grace Team. So let's cancel this and put something like copyright Harry catalog. Let's say 2023. This is not bad. So we'll click on update file. So let's go back to our website and refresh and see if it comes. Okay, this is our own website. Let's refresh it. Are you sure it didn't affect? Okay, let me click on Control F5. Let's see, because sometimes these things are cached in your system. So Control F5 will force it to load. It didn't show up. So I'm going to look for another way. Sometimes when you just do this, it shows up. All right. Once you just do it, it's shows up. Let's see. Okay. Let me reduce this. Let me see. Let's see. Update file. Let's see if this will work. All right. Teams by Grace Teams. Okay. There's a couple of things we can do since we've tried here and it didn't work out. All right. Let's go to. Okay, let me see if I can remove this, and let's see if I remove this, if it will work. But let's see. This is supposed to work, but sometimes it can just be proving stubborn. Let me see if let me open it in another browser and see. Let me open it in another browser and see. Let me open it in another browser and see. If it doesn't work, I'll tell you another way you can remove that. But for now, this is the easiest way. That's what I'm showing you. If it doesn't work, I'll show you another way. As you can see, it has changed. Right? It has changed. It's because it's cached on this browser already. As you can see, copyright 2023, it has changed. So that is the fastest way to do it. Don't bother about this. It has already changed. This is caching. So if I clear my cache now on this browser and reload, you see it. So that is that for that, in removing the copyright. All right. So the next thing we want to do is you can add as many menu here as possible. You can create pages and add them up to menus. As you can see, the website we are replicating doesn't have, it has just home and track shipment. Our one has home and track already. All right. So let me add maybe about us and contact us. You can add as many as possible. All right. But let me add about us and contact us. To add about us and contact us, first of all, you create the pages. All right, look at our we are still here, our WordPress dashboard. So you go to pages and add new. Add a new page. Let's say about us. About us. All right. About us. I'll hide title so that when you click on about us, it won't show the title. Then default template, Elementor full width is necessary. But even if you don't put it, it will just be boxed or something. So click on publish here. All right. This is the page now. So let's build the page. This page is blank. Okay, let me show you something. Let me add it first. I'll add it to the menu. All right, I've created a page, but I've not added it to the menu. Now let's go and add it to our menu. To add it to our menu, come to appearance here. All right, customize. No, sorry, appearance. Under appearance, see menu. Remember how we created our menu before? This is our menu. So let's add that about us to it now. This is about us here, right? This is our about us here that we just created. If we didn't create it, it won't be here. So click on it, add to menu. As you can see, it has added to menu here. Home track. Let's change this track to track shipments. Clicking on this drop down, coming here and just track shipment. All right, that would be nice to look at. So this, then click on save menu. If you save menu, if I come here and refresh, you'll see the menu about us there. It's very simple, very simple. All right, so I'm reloading. While I'm reloading, why is loading? Okay, it's loading here. Look at our website. Okay, I'm loading another one. Let me cancel this already because we have already finished with this. I've finished with this. We wanted to replicate this, so we are done. So let's just close this out so it won't disturb us. Come here and refresh. Our about us will show here now, but it's empty. As you can see, it's empty. Home track shipment. Let's see how it looks on mobile. Let's reduce this. Let's see how it looks on mobile. Let's reduce this and see. This is how it will look on mobile. Look at how it looks on mobile. Very sharp on mobile too. You can see if you are operating on your phone, this is what it will look like. Very beautiful. You can see very beautiful. All right, very beautiful. So the menu now will be this. If you click on here, the drop down will come out. So but this is how it is on desktop. So if you click on about us, it will be empty. As you can see, it's an empty page. If we didn't hide the title, you'll see about us here as title, but I don't want it. So look at it, it's empty. So let's go and build it now. Go back to our WordPress dashboard here. Remember our pages, all pages. We've already built our about us, so all pages. Look at our about us here. Let's edit. All right. So edit with Elementor. We're using Elementor as our page builder, so I'm editing with Elementor. It's opened up a blank page for us now to edit. So I'm going to show you how you can manipulate this in so many ways. You can add about us, you can add contact us, you can add anything. All right, there are so many things you can do. So first of all, about us, let's put our heading first. All right, you remember, click heading, add plus sign. All right, heading, add it here. I've already explained all this, so I will be fast here. About us. Yeah, then centralize it. I would like to change this color. So under style, I'll come here, then choose a color that rhymes with the site. Something like this won't be bad. About us, okay, this is cool. So about us, what do we add? I put some things in my notepad that I'll be using for about us. So what do we do? How do we position this? Okay, let's just do it like this. Let's start from our history. I want it to be 2 sessions so that the picture will be in the other side. Our history, 2 sessions. So heading. Instead of plus here, I'll just come here, click on this hamburger, then this heading, I'll just drag it here. I want heading and I want text too. All right, text under here. Then I also want image the other side. All right, then this our heading will be our history. All right, Let's make it 4. Then come here, our text. Let me just come and copy this thing. You can make your this in anyhow you want it. Explosive growth followed by dynamic culture. Let's just copy this. Copy this. Let's just copy this. And come here. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Here. And paste it here. You see? Our history. Then okay. Let's add another. We can add another title under. But I just want to add another this thing here. Two section. Then heading, then text. Okay, let's put this one about Harry Cargo. All right, so let's see if we can copy this. You can come up with your things, your contents yourself. All right, come up with anything you want to do. You can actually achieve it. All right, using WordPress. Very, very powerful. So I will not do much here. It's just for the purpose of teaching you. So I will not do much. Copy, paste. Let's say Harry Cargo. You can actually put anything you want. Is it blah 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 blah. I don't want to write much, but you can fill it up with a lot of information if you like. All right. Let me put image here. Let me put image here. And put image here. Okay. Let's just go and select image. Let's go and select this first image. Yeah. Which image? Okay, let's use this flying aeroplane. It looks nice. Then come here. Let's put boat or something. Let's put boat or something. Okay, boat is fine. So you can see. Let me add up some things here. Let me add up some things here so that it will just be, let me add another text space here. Text space here. Okay. So let's see if we can copy something else again. We are committed to. Okay, let's copy here. We are committed to doing so many things, but that one is not my business. As you can see, it has entered. We are committed to. You can also add another one, but let's stop here for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's just stop here. All right, because there's no more time. So I'll just click on updates. All right. So when I come back to our page, you see our about us. If I click on it again, it will show some. You can see about us, our history, about Harry Cargo. So you can add as much thing as possible. Should we add? Okay, let's add contact us too. Let's add contact us. So we'll go back, click here, click on exit. Let's create another new page called contact us. Add new. Contact us. So this is how to build website using WordPress, using Elementor as your page builder. So I'll just click on Elementor full width here, then come down and hide title. Once you hide title, let's just go straight and edit with Elementor. Let's go straight. So under contact us, what do we have? What should we have under contact us? This is where your creativity comes to play. If it is a premium theme, they already have demo content for you. You can just edit, You see the contact us is showing. It seems our hide button didn't hide it very well. All right, so you can go back and see. Okay, let me go back. Exit. Let me go back. Our hide title did not hide it very well. I'm glad it showed up so that you see what I'm telling you about. You see? So let's hide it and publish first. So that we'll be sure of hiding it. Okay, so let's now edit with Elementor and see if our contact us heading has disappeared. Let's just take a quick peep on our website as it's coming up. That's it. Let's go back to home. My network is pretty bad, slow. Now this thing would have been. Let's add our contact us page. While it's loading, let's wait for it. So as you can see, it has loaded up, all right, and our contact us, this thing has disappeared. All right, it has disappeared. So let's start building the page from afresh. First of all, under contact us, what should we have under contact us? First of all, our heading, contact us. All right, let's centralize it and put contact us. Contact us. Now there's something I want to show you. Look at this place now. See our about us. Let's click on about us. There's something I want to quickly show you. You see, about us, the title is close to this panel, so I want it shifted down. So I'll do that using contact us now to teach you. So if you haven't gotten to this place, you added contact us, so I'll just go to advanced. I showed you something under margin. All right, click on here so that it will separate it. Then just click on this thing to drag it down. You see, good. So I'm okay with this. That is that for that. There's something you can also do with padding. Padding means the text inside. If you want to separate it from its container, let me show you something. Click on it. See, to separate from down, then from up. See, so if you want space below and above, you can actually do it like this. But let's just leave it like this. There are a lot of things you can do. You can actually try that out yourself. Look at background. You can change background. A whole lot of things you can do here. But let's not go too deep into it. Like I said, I have a full course on WordPress. If you want to enroll, you can come. It's just for a token. The enrollment fee is not just, it's very, very cheap. As at today that I'm recording this video, it is 25,000 naira. Before we started with 5,000 to 15,000, now it's 25,000. So as at today that you're seeing this video, it's 25,000 naira. So the day I'm recording this video, it's 25,000 naira. So if you want to learn and explore the world of WordPress and how powerful it is, you can build as many websites as possible using WordPress. You can build, as you can see, I'm building a courier website with it. You can build e-commerce, you can build blog, you can build corporate websites, you can build even a lot of websites with WordPress. And I cannot cover all that on just one video. So if you want to learn more, you contact me and get started immediately. I'll enroll you on the course and you start. It's very, very beginner friendly and we covered a whole lot. So coming back to this place, let's click on this. Let's change the color. Under style, let's change the color to something that's close to the website's color. All right. So this is it. This is it. Contact us. Under contact us, I would like to have our address and our phone number. All right. Address and phone number. Okay. Let me put it in this way. Okay, 2 columns, address and phone number. Okay, let's put it this way. So this one will have heading for your address. Okay, let's make it H4. Let's say this is address. I would have made it 3. Let me make it 3. So let's right click here and duplicate. You see, I hope you understood what I just did here. I just made it 3. So coming here, 3 columns. So coming here, let's add text under it. So the address is what we're going to put here. I don't know which address to use. I really don't know which address to use. So I'll just put Santander UK. You can put any of your address, and here I'll put phone number. So the heading can go here. Phone number. I can contact the company. Then come here H2. Let's put it at 4. All right. Then we'll still put phone number here. There's no phone number now, so let's just put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is where you put your phone number. So under here, let's say email. Text heading, sorry. drag it down there, email. All right, then header 4, so it should be smaller. Then what else? Okay, let's add our text here to put the email. I have 2 emails officially for this website, so info at .com. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Support at .com. I think that is that for that. So let's add a map. Let's add a map here. So let's say okay, this, then come here, let's look for map, Google Maps. Let's add it here. So look at the address. If you want to change the address, if you change the address, it will appear on the Google map. All right, as you can see, if you change the address, this is the address is taken. So if you change the address here, it automatically pick the address. But for now, this is what the address is. I don't have any address for now, so let's leave it. And if you want to zoom it out, here is where you zoom it out. All right, if you want to increase the height to make it bigger, here's where you drag the height. All right, to make it bigger. So at least you can add as many things as possible under contact us. All right, but this is what I'll add for now. All right, okay, let me add something to just make it look like let's add another container here and add an image. Just make it look like you know, let me just add an image here, drag it here. And when you learn this, you'll be faster than this. I know you'll be thinking this is a bit, you know, but when you've learned it and you've practiced it, you'll be faster than this. I'm slow like this because I'm teaching you. All right, let's add the shipping, this thing here. Come down here and put full or custom. I don't know. Just, you can resize it. You can resize it to just fit in. But for me, this is okay. This is okay. Phone number. This is just okay. You can add as many things as possible, please. I'm just giving you an overview of how it's done. So first of all, let's click on update. If you click on update, our contact us will not show up in our menu. It will not show up. Let's go back here. Exit. Look at it, will not show up in our menu until we add. So let's go back to home here. You see, it has not shown up. So let's go and add it to our menu. We've created a page already, so let's go and add it to our menu. Appearance, under menus, you click on it and it will appear here. So where is our contact? Look at it, just check it and click on add to menu, and automatically it adds to menu. Then you just click on save. All right, if you click on save, go back here, let's refresh. And of course our contact us is here already. You can add as many as possible, projects, you know, depending on you, but I'm done with this now. So let's click on contact us and see how our contact us page looks like. As you can see, oh, this thing is still inheriting this. We can go and change it, or we can leave it like this. That is one thing. Some plugins just have a way of misbehaving. All right, and if I load it up with another browser, it should have disappeared. This is our contact us page. All right, it's simple, but it's okay. You can make your own very, you know, look more pretty and beautiful. Let me see how it looks like on mobile. Let's see how it looks like on mobile, because most people use mobile, so mobile is very important. Contact us, you see, it's not bad on mobile, so it's okay. You can manipulate it anyhow you want it. So that is that for that. The next thing we are going to be doing now is to set up our tracking, plugin. This is our tracking plugin here. All right, to set up our tracking plugin, this is our tracking plugin here. So for you to set it up, you go to WP Cargo here. All right, look at general settings here, click on general settings. All right, general settings. So add type of shipment, air freight, international shipping, truckload, van move. You can add more by just clicking on comma, by just adding your comma and adding more, but this is okay for me. Then add shipment mode, sea, transport, land, air freight. This is okay for me too. You can add more if you wish. Then add shipment location. These are the countries. You can add more. All right, you can add more countries if you want, but trust me, the countries that comes with the plugin is okay. All right, but if you want to add more, in case it's not here, just click on comma, just add comma, add more countries. Then add shipment carrier, DHL, USPS, FedEx. Now let's add our own Harry Cargo. All right, then add shipment payment method. You can add bank transfer and say payment or delivery. Payment, so that when you are setting up your shipment, all these options can appear. Payment on delivery. I can also even add Bitcoin payments. So then add shipment status, pending, picked up, on hold, out of delivery, transit, cancelled. You can also add as many as possible. Let me add custom hold, so that when you are doing your creating your shipment, that option will be there. Then add shipment logo. This is what will be appearing on your receipt. All right, or when you track shipment, this logo will appear. So it will be the site's logo. I'll just click on upload. Under our media library, we've already uploaded our logo, so it should show up here. Let's wait for it. It should show up here. Oh, my network is disturbing, but we don't have a choice. It's what it's right. Let's wait. I know this video is taking a long time, but it's just because I decided to make it as simple as possible. On a normal day, if I want to go very, very fast, this thing will not take me 30 minutes to 1 hour, but pardon me, I'm just trying to make it as simple and easy as possible, to make everything as clear as possible. So take your time, settle down and watch. If you get confused, you can, go back, rewind the video and, watch again. If you have questions, you can drop it on the comment section and I'll be there to answer your questions. I don't know, this thing is I think my network has disconnected, so I'll just have to connect again. I'll be right back. Okay, I think my network is back. So let's upload our logo. So our logo is already here because we uploaded it before. So you click on select and it's here already. So let's come down, track page settings. Automatically this plugin WP Cargo comes with a track page and it is tracked, so select it. All right, you can make your track page another page by creating another page and selecting it, so that when they click on track shipment, it will open that page. That is if you want to design the page. Sometimes you can just want to design the track page, add some pictures and the rest of them. You can create a separate page for it and select it here. But the plugin comes with its own default page, and that's what I'm going to be using, track. So just click on it. All right, font family default, font size, make sure you put it any amount, 12 from 8. 12 is fine. So shipment prefix, Harika L, so I'll just put HCL. all right, I will remove the shipment surface because I don't need it actually, but you can put it. Shipment number of digits 12, that is the shipment number when you create shipment. Your tracking number, how many numbers. Display shipment history in invoice, of course. Enable user time zone. I don't, just leave that. Allow rows to update, just leave this here. Disable email to employee, disable email for agent, disable email for client. Let's not disable that. Let's just click on save changes. All right, save changes. Let me confirm if I'm still recording. Okay, I am. So after setting up this page, that is that for that. Then you go to this multi-package settings. You can explore it and see what it is. All right, but I don't usually use this map settings. If you want if you want to add map to your tracking so that the person can be tracking it on map, but this one will go through a lot of process. You have to apply for Google Map API key. I think it's not free. You have to pay some money, but most times we don't use this. All right, so but if you want to explore, you can explore this session too. So another part that is important is client email, so that when a shipment is updated and blah blah blah, it can send to the client. So you can select shipment status to send email notification. You can select all or select some if it is pending or if it is out for delivery, so that the clients can be notified. But let's just select all for the purpose of this. Let's just select all, or if you cancel shipment, the person can be notified. This is based on the shipment mode you set that time. All right, I don't know if you remember when we set the shipment mode. Then domain email, okay, info@.com. This is your domain email, of course. Then mail to shipper email. Leave it like this because this is the email of the shipper, somebody that is shipping it. I'll show you what it means. Then CC, add the message comma separated. If you want to send to more emails, BCC, forget about the subject. This, you can edit the we are pleased to inform you that your shipment has now cleared customs and is now this. So you can edit this write-ups if you want. All right, this will contain, this is the email that will be sent to the client once any of this. Do you understand? So let's just click on save changes. All right, so let's go to admin email. If you want to get notified too, if a shipment is pending, some people may not need this because I don't see any reason why you should, but some people that want to be notified too can just check all this. Domain email, same info at .com. So mail to, you can mail to that same email, or let's mail to support. Let's mail to support at this. Let's come then subject. All right, leave all this, or you can edit the shipment number. This has been updated. Forget about all these ones in curly braces. All right, these ones are short codes. Forget about them. If you want to edit the ones that is English that you're seeing here. Forget about all these ones. These ones are auto generated. All right, okay, so that is that for that. So you can just click on save changes. So we are done with setting up our what is it called? We are done setting up our tracking plugin. All right, so let's see. Let's assume this is our website. I want to track shipment. If you click on track shipment, all right, this is where you add your shipment number and click on track. All right, let's see what it looks like on mobile. This is where you click, all right, and click on track. So it's dope. So you go back to this place. Let's see if we can. Okay, if you want to create shipments, this is your admin. This is where you'll be creating shipments. All right, there's no time, so I won't be creating shipments and tracking it. But trust me, when you click shipment and you track it with the shipment code, here it will show you the results of where the shipment is. If you want to change status, if you change status, it will still update it and show you where the shipment currently is now. And you can also print the invoice. All right, but let me just show you how to create shipment. If you want to create shipment, this WP cargo is what brought about this shipment here. So if you click on shipment, if you already have shipments and you want to edit, you click on all shipments, select and edit. All right, but now we don't have. So if you click on all shipments, there is no shipment not found, as you can see. But let's see, let's add shipment. Under shipment, click on add shipment. All right, look at it, automatically generates a shipment code for you. All right, so this is your tracking code in case you want to track. Now there is something I want you to note. All right, shipment details, you add shipment details, you also add, this is the shipper details, this is the receiver details. All right, then this is the shipment details, type of shipment. You can select air freight. You know, remember while we are setting up our WP cargo, we had the options to add this. If you add anything here, to show up here. All right, the weight, the courier, packages, mode. Look at our mode here, land freight. We also added it the other side. Look at our payment mode. All right, Bitcoin payment on delivery. Anything you add the other side will also come here. All right, origin. You can select the origin country. All right, departure time, destination. You can select your destination country. By those countries you added there. Pickup dates, pickup time, expected time of delivery. Then comment, any comment at all you can add here. I would really love to create a shipment and track, but there is no time for that. As you can see, this video is already long, but this is basically it. It has two sessions already, this side and this side. Now this side, current status. Once you've created your shipment, all right, you fill this and you've created your shipment. If you want to be changing status, this is the only place you'll be looking at. Once you click on all shipment, your shipment will appear. Click on edit, then come down to this current status. This is the only place you'll be concerned about. You change the date, change the time, change the current location, change the status, whether it's picked up, pending, or on hold. All right, then put your remark and publish. changing of status after you've created shipment. I want you to take note of this. Only happens this place under current status. All right. So once you just update it here, you click on publish. But the first time you are creating it, after creating it, you don't have any business here because you're just creating it for the first time. You don't have any business here. So after just creating it here, then you can just click on publish. All right. And when you click on publish, that's that for that. This place, there is no point here. Forget about this place. You don't need here. All right. I would have really loved to create shipment. I would have really loved to create shipment. But let's see if I can create shipments. Let me just try and create shipments so that you understand exactly what I'm talking about. All right. So let me just call this video for now and come back and create shipments so that it will be very, very clear to everybody. Okay, so welcome back. Here, let's quickly create shipment. All right, let's quickly create shipment. You know how we did it. Under shipment, add shipment, you come to this side. So let's quickly create shipment. Shipper name, Alan Watts, receiver, Clark, Kent. All right, phone number 1234567 shipper, receiver phone number. All right, address, shipper address goes here, any address at all. All right, receiver address goes here, receiver address, any address at all. All right, then email, let's say shipper@gmail.com. all right, if you put correct email, the person will receive email when it's being created. Then receiver, but I'm just putting anything here so that I'll just show receiver@gmail.com. all right, so type of shipment, I can make it air freight, weight, let's say 5 kg, courier, let's say Harry catalog. all right, packages, let's say file or document, documents. all right, the mode, air freight, products, files, then quantity, let's say 4 files, 4 documents. Then payment mode, let's say payment on delivery. Then total freight is the amount you charge, let's say $2,500. all right, then carrier, oh, we did not add that. I would have added it in the other side, but let's just use FedEx. I would have added Harika log while I was setting up this WP cargo. all right, under carrier, but let's just choose anyone here for now. Carrier reference number 456, anything can go here. all right, departure time, let's just choose any time. all right, origin city, let's just choose Bahamas. Then destination, let's choose Barbados. Pickup date, let's just say 6th. all right, pickup time, let's just say 6 a.m. expected delivery date, let's say 9th. Let's say 9th, in good condition. all right, that is that for that. Packages, you don't even have to put here. all right, you don't have to add here, but you can see add if you want to. Packages, piece type, all right, description, let's just add it. Packages, let's say 2. Piece type, let's say orders. Description, document, length, this one is not necessary, 4 centimeter, 4 width, 7 height, 5 width, 5. all right, this is not necessary, but let's just add it. Add package. No need to add this package again. That one is okay. Let's delete this one. All right, so after doing this, let's click on publish. All right, so it's published. It's published. So let's copy this our tracking code now. Copy. Let's paste it here and see. As you can see, look at it. Harika Alan Watts. This is the shipper information referral. Then shipment information. This. As you can see, packages. Look at the package. Then shipment history. The shipment history is not here yet because the status has not been changed. Now, if we didn't add this package, the package will not be here. So if you don't want to see your package here, you can just, leave it. All right. So this is the track result. You can print it here. As you can see, you can click on print. Let me click on print. If I'm connected to a printer now, I'll just print it out. As you can see, look at it. If I'm connected to a printer, I can print it out. And if you want to download it and send it, I think my network just had an issue. Okay, let's go back. So, boys, you've seen how it works. So you can print, you can save as PDF to send. So let's go back here and update status and see. Okay, dates. This. Okay, let's say this is choose. Okay, on 7th. Then 10 a.m. New location is where should we put as new location? Turkey. Let's just put Turkey. Status in transit. Okay, remarks, safe and sound. So let's update this. If you come back here and track again with this number, let's click on track result again. You see the history has started safe and sound. This is where it is now, shipment history. All right, this is where it is now. So I can see if I update it to still add. Let me see, go back and update it so I'll show you. Now let's make it 8. The location is Cyprus. Now the shipment is now in Cyprus. Then pending, let's say it's pending. Then click on update. All right, I'm trying to be fast. All right, then let's track again. Same tracking number. As you can see, it's now pending. All right, this is the date. This is this date. It's now in Cyprus and now it's pending. So it's in transit. I don't know if you understand now. So it's very smooth. Very smooth. So if you go to all shipments now here, you see the shipment that we've created. If you want to edit, all right, you click on edit. If you want to update the status, just come here. Since you created a shipment already, this is where you'll be updating your status. All right, then if you click on all shipment again, if you want to print your invoice, look at the shipment here, look at invoice, you click on invoice. All right, this is the invoice. If you want to print the invoice, this is the invoice. All right, you can print the invoice and send to the person. Okay, so this is the invoice. If you want to print it, I'm having issue with this sheet. I'm having issues with this sheet, but if you want to print it, you can just print it here. All right, and here too, if you want to print your track results, open page incognito. This thing that is happening is because of this browser. All right, if I try it with Edge browser, it will go through. Sometimes all this printing, it has issues with some browsers, and if it is cached already, I don't want to clear my cache. If I clear my cache, it will work, but I don't want to clear my cache. All right, I don't want to clear my cache. So, or you open an incognito mode, Control Shift N. All right, so if I put in all these things, so basically you've seen how it is. All right, you've seen how it is. So that is that for that. So I just wanted to show you how the printing works. So I had to open an incognito tab. I had two options, maybe clear my cache or open an incognito tab, but I didn't want to clear my cache. As you can see incognito here. If you want to open an incognito window, you click on Control Shift N. All right, to open this. So you just click on the track results. Let's see. As you can see, normally shipment status pending based on your last update. All right, as you can see, shipment pending based on your last update, which is here. All right, so if you now click on print, you see, look at it here. So you can print it. All right, you can print it, or you can save it as PDF. Once you click on print, you can save as PDF and send to whoever you want to send to. It's very, very pretty. This is the smartest courier website design using WordPress and free theme that I've seen. Very powerful. So thank you for watching to this point. If you watched to this point, that means you are really finding the video interesting. So don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be seeing this kind of videos. I'm going to be uploading next how to design the same courier website using premium WordPress theme. Now that is going to make it faster, but you're going to buy the theme. All right. And I'm still going to make a video on how to design this same courier website using a script. It will also make it faster. All right. But you're going to buy the script. Now, two things. Everything that has advantage has disadvantage. It's either you spend your money buying the scripts or template to make it faster, or you use your time, you spend your time to build it like this from scratch using free WordPress theme and Elementor, just as I've done. Thank you very much for sticking with me to this point. All right, and I promise to deliver you more videos like this, and I hope you've learned something. Hope you've really learned something today. If you've learned, subscribe, comment, give me a like. Okay, so let's just add live chats to our newly designed delivery website. All right, let's add live chats. Now, like I said before, WordPress is powerful, and plugins even makes WordPress more powerful. You can achieve a lot using plugins. So we are going to add a live chat to this website. I'm going to use plugins to do that. So in your WordPress dashboard, as usual, you scroll down to this plugins tab and click on add new. All right, you click on add new. So we are going to use Tidio. So we'll come to the search bar here and click on and search for Tidio live chat. We have so many live chats. We have Talk2, we have Tidio, we have Jivo, but we are going to use Tidio here. So I'm going to install. I click on install. All right, it has installed, so I'm going to activate. So allow it to activate. As you can see, it has activated. So you come to the left hand side of your dashboard. You see this studio is already here because we've activated it. So click on it. All right, click on it to open the environment for you to set it up. All right, so we are getting started. So I'll just put the email info at your website name .com. All right, website name.com. So the password, you put the password here. This is we adding the live chat. So get started. All right, get started. It's very, very simple. A lot can be achieved using WordPress plugin. All right, so you allow it to load. I'll just cancel this out. You allow it to load. You see, our website doesn't have a live chat yet. So your name, let's say support. Integer primary want to improve customer support. This is okay for me. What best describes your job role, customer success agent, and click on next. What is your company's industry? I'll just click on other. All right, then what is your company size? 2 to 50 is okay. How many inquiries do you get per day? Okay, each month, let's just say 11 to 100. Or you can just choose I don't know yet. All right, so how was your website built? Of course, with WordPress. Then click on next. Then get set up for success. Which channels do you plan to do on for interacting with customers? Which channels do you plan to use Studio on for interacting with customers? Let me just put order. I don't want to. Okay, let's just say WhatsApp. When would you like to have Studio up and running? As soon as possible. Now, why are they asking me too much questions? What are you using? What are you using today? Email. And what did you learn about Studio? Where did you learn about? Someone told me about it. Then click on next. Or this is adding Studio to your site. Adding live chat to your site. Now this is our Studio panel. This is our Studio panel. Welcome to Studio. Let's get set up and blah 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 blah. Okay, I think that is that for that too. Install the desktop access Studio without a browser. You can install the app, or you can use the browser to. By now, you should know how to access your Studio. You can install the app and log in with the login details we used to just get here. So Mac has done. It already looks great. Okay, let's see if we can customize it. There's nothing much to customize, so I just let it be. Or you can customize a lot of things here though, but there's for now just leave it at that. So let's come back here and see if our live chat is showing up. Let's see if our live chat is showing up. Control. Sometimes all these things you need to clear your cache before it can show up. Or widgets. Okay, widget visibility. Display widgets. Both on desktop and mobile devices. Display the chat when you are offline. Let visitors create tickets when you are offline. Oh well. There are so many ways to add Studio to your website though. There's so many ways to do that. So I think that is that for that. That is that for that. We are done. We are done. So just go back. Just go back. So that is that on how to add Studio to your website. All right, that is that. How to add Studio to your website. So the next thing we want to add is if I clear my cache, this will show up. I clear my cache, it will show up definitely. But I don't want to clear my cache now. So let's add one more thing. Live chat. So I'll add new plugin, live chat. I say live chat translator. So the plugin I like to use is G-Translate. G-Translate. Look at it here. So I'll just install. And activate. Okay. So I'll just install and activate as shown. Alright. So under G translate here, you can go to settings, widget look floats English, nice drop down with flags. Let's see, and this is cool, this is better. Then translate from English, okay. Auto switch to browser language, yeah, so that once you just enter any browser from any country, it just automatically picks the browser language and just translates it. Show floating language selector, no. Show in menu, let's show it in menu. Primary menu is fine. Then you can choose as many countries as possible or choose all, but so that it will not just cluster, just leave it simple. All right, so after that, just click on save. Let's come back here and refresh. I hope this one wouldn't want me to clear cache before it comes up. Okay, as you can see, look at it here, you can translate to these languages because I didn't select all. All right, so the translator is here already. You see it has translated to Arab already. Let's go back to English. Let's come back to English. So let's see if let's see what it looks like on mobile. On mobile, look at it. Let's look at it here. You can translate it here on mobile. So it's pretty nice. So this is how to add live chats and translator to your just designed WordPress Korea website. This one is not yet showing. It's not yet showing, but it's here already. Just that I don't want to clear my cache. So when you do yours, you clear your cache and it will get working immediately. And if it doesn't work, you can always contact me and I'll be of help and assistance to you. There are so many ways you can actually add it apart from even using the plugin. So if it doesn't work for you, you let me know. I'll let you know how to do it, but it definitely will work. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. And like I said, I have a complete WordPress tutorial. For those of you that are interested, you can contact me, all right, and I'll get you enrolled. Like I said, it is 25,000 naira, the enrollment fee, one-time fee. They are all pre-recorded videos. The videos are already uploaded online. So once you have access, you will have access to the videos forever. You can go back and front, check, practice at your own convenience. There are a lot of websites we designed in the tutorial, e-commerce, blog, a lot. All right, we made use of so many plugins, contact form, and a whole lot. So it is very, very fully packed. So if you want to explore the world of WordPress, all right, you can contact me after watching this video and let's get you enrolled. I may just give you a discount if you're coming from this video. If you're coming from YouTube, I may just give you a discount. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. At this point, I want to sign out. Peace out.